Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zen Coin wallet. First, make sure your computer is connected to a stable internet source. This is crucial for the entire process. Next, confirm your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, is fully updated to its latest version, preventing any compatibility issues. Finally, prepare a safe, offline space to write down your recovery seed phrase immediately after generating it, as this is your ultimate backup. Navigate your web browser to the official Zen Coin website to download the appropriate wallet client for your specific operating system. Before proceeding with installation, take a moment to verify the integrity of the downloaded file using the checksum, which is often a SHA-256 hash, ensuring it has not been tampered with. Once verified, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions, typically clicking Next a few times. Now, you will either create a completely new wallet or import an existing one. If you are creating a new one, immediately write down your 24-word seed phrase on paper and store it securely offline. This phrase is your only way to recover funds if something goes wrong. If you are importing, meticulously enter your previously generated recovery phrase or private key, double-checking each character to avoid errors and ensure full access to your funds. After setup, the wallet will begin synchronizing with the Zen Coin blockchain, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on your internet speed and network conditions. During this period, avoid performing any transactions until synchronization reaches 100%. Furthermore, activate and configure a strong, unique password for your wallet, providing an essential layer of security for your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.